and welcome to our video on how to change the units of measure on your Tiger XT PID. The Tiger XT is a powerful and versatile gas monitor that can be used to detect a wide range of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. The Tiger XT can display readings in a variety of units of measure, including ppm, parts per million, ppb, parts per billion, or milligrams per cubic meter. The default unit of measure is ppm. You may, however, need to change the units of measure depending on your application. For example, if you are working in an environment where VOC concentration is very low, you may need to change the unit of measure to ppb. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can change the unit of measure on your Tiger XT device itself and using the Tiger PC software. To change the unit of measure in the field, first turn on your Tiger XT PID. Use the directional buttons to cycle through the functions until you see the settings icon, and then press the soft key to enter. Scroll through the settings using the up and down arrows until you're on the ppm icon and press enter to confirm. From here, select your desired units for your application and press enter. First, make sure your Tiger XT instrument is turned on and connected to your computer. Then, open the Tiger PC application on your desktop. This will bring you to the home page. On the left side of this home page, there's a menu that lets you navigate to different screens. From here, click on the Instruments tab and then select Read. This action will add your connected Tiger XT unit to the list of instruments that you have already read by the program. Once you have done this, the current setup of your instrument, along with any log data, will automatically be downloaded by the PC software. Now, if this is the first time you are reading an instrument, the software will take a snapshot automatically, and a pop-up will appear. Just click yes or no based on what you need. Next, on the left-hand side, select Configuration. If you have the high sensitivity upgrade on your Tiger XT, you will also have the option to choose between parts per billion and micrograms per cubic meter. Once you're satisfied with the changes made, make sure you send them to your Tiger XT by clicking Send to Instrument at the bottom of the screen. If the configuration for any reason doesn't send, don't stress. Just get in touch with your local AirMet team for assistance. And once everything's complete, you can go ahead and disconnect your Tiger XT from your PC. Thank you for watching our how-to video on the Tiger XT PID. We hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet rental team at 1-800-000-744.